Welcome to the beautiful beaches here in Cherry Grove.
In North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Now we're excited to bring this beautiful home here in Cherry Grove to you today.
And it's only a block away from the Cherry Grove Pier, so let's head that way.
All right, well, so we are finally inside this beautiful home located at 302A, 32nd Avenue North here in North Myrtle Beach.
Now this home, when you pull right up to it, not only is it a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, but check out all the beautiful palm trees as you see when you come into the home. Not to mention it's got an actual garage, plus you've got that parking and storage underneath the home too. But now that we're inside, let's go and discover this beauty.
Well, give us a call here. We would love to show you this home in person and just introduce you to a piece of paradise in Cherry Grove.
And make sure you bring your boat, your jet skis, come out and enjoy everything Cherry Grove has to offer. Or if you simply want to hang out here on the beach, you can do that too after you buy this home. Look forward to speaking with you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button too. Thank you.
Thank you.